Your left hammy's a lot harder than your right hammy.
ACL was replaced on that one.
So do you have a good story to go with that?
It was football.
Uh-huh.
But
Touchdown?
there wasn't a multi-million-dollar contract going with it. Having some fun in college.
Raise that right leg for me. Put it down. Left leg. Down. Let's try that again. Right side. Good. Left side. Perfect. So when I use, can I have that small tip? Here we go. So most of the time I use the instrument, but not all the time.
I see how you do it now.
And I use the higher frequency for the cervical. Oscillates, I think, 16 times a second.
Yes,
And
that's
then-
what I was doing.
And then I use the lower frequency, one down if I'm in the thoracic.
Okay.
So I flip more. Got that typical lower thoracic issue with it. Most chiropractors get, huh?
Yep.
Let's turn you over to your back. Alright, I'm gonna sit you straight up here on the table. I'm gonna use this one here. Okay, let's bring you back. All the way back. Let's take your hands and put them up behind your head and lock your fingers together. Hold on to your head, but relax everything else for me. Release. All right, let's take you back up here. Go ahead and lie flat for me. That cushion's a little bit softer than mine too. Do you have a wood dowel in here or something that you use for your hand at all, or?
For the arms?
Yeah, or no, for your hand.
Nope, my hand.
Just like that, huh? All that. All right, let's bring you back up here and face that chair for me.
Oh, that was needed.
So this is first rib here. And sometimes I'll bring that clavicle back like an MBA.
Seatbelt locks up.
Yeah. All right.
Awesome.
Good to go.
Thank you.